pick up my bag now. I liked this one. Yeah. You can be the creative one. That's so cute. We'll get 2 vanilla caramels and 2 hazelnuts. I know, it's so cute. Hi! We got my bag. And we got some lottery too.
Oh. Now we're seated on a fancy chair with crystally light things behind it.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Yeah.
I want to open my bag now and I want to start using it. So I'm gonna just unbox it here now.
Ooh, so exciting!
Tell you if the macaroons are good or not.
Yes, this is our honest, unbiased opinion.
Okay, which flavor are we gonna try first?
I think the hazelnuts will surprise us the most, so we'll try the vanilla caramel.
I love you, thank you.
That's so interesting.
That's really good.
Just the macaroons are so soft and really moist. The caramels taste like.
Oh, Santa. Now we're gonna try a chocolate covered hazelnut.
Here's baby.
That is so good.
Chocolate.
Oh, that is so good. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below.